In Tally Prime, altering and deleting a company involves making changes to the company's information or removing the company from the software. Here is how you can do it. Altering a company in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime, launch the Tally Prime software on your computer. Select Company Info. From the gateway of Tally, select Alter under the Company Info section. Select Company. Choose the company you want to alter from the list of companies. Edit company details. You can now edit the company information such as name, address, financial year, GST details, and other settings. Make the necessary changes. Save changes. After making the desired alterations, save the changes by accepting the modifications. Deleting a company in Tally Prime. Before proceeding with deleting a company, please note that deleting a company will permanently remove all its data from Tally Prime. Make sure you have a backup of your data if you need it for any reason. Open Tally Prime, launch the Tally Prime software. Select Company Info. From the gateway of Tally, choose Alter under the Company Info section. Select Company. Select the company you want to delete from the list. Delete company. While in the company alteration screen, press the Alt+D shortcut key combination. This will open a confirmation prompt asking if you want to delete the company. Confirm your decision. Backup and confirm. Tally Prime will prompt you to take a backup of the company data before deletion. It's strongly recommended to take a backup at this stage. Once the backup is taken, confirm the deletion. Permanently delete. After confirming, Tally Prime will permanently delete the company along with all its data. Please be extremely cautious when deleting a company, as this action is irreversible. Ensure you have no further use for the company's data before proceeding. As always, make sure you're using the appropriate version of Tally Prime and consult its documentation or seek expert advice if you're unsure about any steps in the process.